I have my shrimp already washed. Please, there's black things that used to be somewhere around here. Well, I would have showed you, but I bought this one already prepared. So I have the potato and the sweet corn cooking right here. My butter, unsalted butter, is on. It's melting. So I will go ahead and add minced garlic and ginger in it. So while it's on, I will then put in my shrimp. I would like it to cook slowly, so I'm going to leave the heat on a medium flow. So while it's cooking, I'll add a little bit of soy sauce. So while it's cooking, add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to leave in some butter with the shrimp, let it be soaking it while continue cooking. So right now I'll add in the minced garlic, ginger and onion, then sliced onion. So I'll add more butter to it. So I have a little bit of pepper seasoning. I'll put this water, let it cook. I'll add a little bit of soy sauce, then I'll let it boil. Right now I'm going ahead to add my crab in it. Now let it boil. So here is my cooked sweet corn, potatoes and eggs. Here are the shrimp. So I'm going ahead to put the crab